It's time for Myth of the Week.
Alright, well, thanks for joining Myth of the Week. I really enjoy doing these every week. It's a lot of fun. And James has been learned to get used to some curveballs sometimes, because I do like to throw some little curveballs out there. This one actually stems from a long time ago. The inspectors used to walk around and they'd look in the trash can and they'd try to see how we stripped the MC. And if it looked like we stripped it with something other than a roto split, they'd try to make us replace all the MC. That is actually illegal. If you look at the manufacturer's instructions on this specific cable, they actually give you a bunch of different approved methods that you're able to strip. They say you could use a hacksaw. They say you could use tin snips. They say you can use diagonal cutters. They say you can use all these different types of things, and I actually think a roto split is the fastest way. And like I said, I wasn't trying to do an advertisement for this specific roto split brand, but this specific brand was the only one that worked really good. I liked it. I still own one of these, and that's the one. I'm not trying to do a plug for the roto split, but you know, and that's the thing, you know. And resi guys, you know, they even like to, you know, see the outcome, because a lot of these guys haven't dealt with MC cable. Good comment, David. Appreciate it. But you know, like I say, what we run into in this one is a lot of times what I've seen is you can set these adjustments too deep, and you could actually cut into the conductors. So you have just as much chance of damaging the conductors with a roto split as you do with you know, like diagonal cutters, as some people say, or you know, anything else. So you know, like I say, the one thing that I asked, it was funny, I asked the inspector all the myths ahead of time to try to kind of get his take and see what he said, and he goes, you know, I would think that the manufacturer would say that would require to be a roto split. And I was all, you would think that, but then if you go look at the manufacturer, they gave you multiple different approved methods to cut it. And so as long as we're following 110.3b listed, labeled, and we're following the manufacturer's instructions, then we're good to go. And you know, like I say, James pops up the installation instructions here, and I don't see if it gives you anything like as far as approved cutting means, but well, I know it's in Southwire. So if you guys check out Southwire and cutting MC cable, they give you a list of things. And the thing is that they're not even saying that you have to use a certain thing. What they're saying is, you know, just has to be an approved cutting tool, so that you don't damage the conductor while you're stripping it. So I really like that illustration. That's pretty good, James. Shows it in there. And that's actually the AC with that HCF. We've covered that before, where you just cut that bond strip off and you're good to go.